Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're walking through how to install MariaDB on Ubuntu 24.04 step by step, whether you're setting up a local development environment or preparing a production server. This video has you covered. Let's dive in. MariaDB is a popular open-source relational database system. It's a drop-in replacement for MySQL, and it's known for its performance, reliability, and active development. Ubuntu 24.04 is the latest long-term support LTS release, and pairing it with MariaDB is a great choice for web apps, content management systems, and more. Let me now connect to my VPS machine running Ubuntu 24.04. First, let's make sure our system is up to date. This ensures all your packages are current before installing MariaDB. You can install MariaDB using the Ubuntu default repository. Ubuntu 24.04 includes MariaDB in its default repositories, so installation is straightforward. Just run the following command. This will install MariaDB along with all necessary dependencies. Next, we'll secure MariaDB by running the security script. You'll be prompted to set a root password and, if needed, remove anonymous users, disallow remote root login, remove the test database, and reload privileges. This locks down your database for better security. Let's test if we can log in. Run the following command. Enter your root password. If you see the MariaDB prompt, you're in. Type exit to leave. Want the latest MariaDB features on Ubuntu 24.04? While Ubuntu's default repo works, the official MariaDB repository gives you newer versions and better security updates. In this next method, I'll show you how to install MariaDB using the official repo. I will install it on a DigitalOcean droplet. Next, install software properties. If it is not installed, it installs a helpful package on Debian/Ubuntu-based Linux systems that allows you to easily manage third-party software repositories. Next, import the MariaDB signing key. Now, let's add MariaDB's official repository to get the latest stable version. Update your package list and install MariaDB. You can check its status by running this command. Let's log into the MariaDB shell. Just like before, secure your installation. That's it. You've installed the latest MariaDB on Ubuntu 24.04 using the official repo. This method ensures you get updates faster and more reliably. In order to delete MariaDB from Ubuntu 24.04, you can run this command. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next video. This last command removes the repository.